Well, U.S. steel shares have lost more than 60% of their value over the past year, but bullish options traders are betting on a short-term bounce. Jon and Pete have unusual activity. Doc, you go first for me.
All right. Stock was about $13.50 this morning, Scott, $13.50. They started buying upside calls, 14 strike. Not a big reach, but it's a short period of time. It's basically a 2-week out option because they're buying July's. I bought these options. They were trading for 22 cents. I think they've almost doubled already, and I think they will double or triple with any kind of upside move here. So I'm in those. And again, that's a short-term trade. Second one, CAR, C-A-R. Huge volume in this one. I think 21,000 August 41 calls went off. Like that one an awful lot as well. Gives me more time to be in that trade and perhaps to have the stock climb and be able to sell a higher strike against the calls that I own, which I will probably own for about a month.
Okay. Pete?
So for the second time in the last couple of weeks, we have Ally Financial once again hitting. So something's going on there. Somebody's sniffing out something. And what we see today is a huge buyer of 15,000 of the August 33 call. Stock was trading underneath 32 at the time. So very large trade there. About 50 cents, 55 cents is what they were trading in these options. I'm already there. I already own options in there, so I didn't have to add today. But it actually gave me a little more confidence to hold on to those calls for a little bit longer and see how this plays out. I'm already in August as well from the previous buying that we'd seen. Micron hit yesterday, and it hit again today very aggressively once again, and they're going for the 45 strike calls in Micron, and they're going in August. So aggressively buying yesterday, aggressively buying today. Are the chips under fire? I think they absolutely are, because we not only had buying yesterday in Micron, we had AMD buying, we had Western Digital buying. I mean, across the board, it was a trifecta of looking for upside over the next 3 to 4 weeks, not necessarily today. 3 to 4 weeks is their upside. They are positioning for the semis to make a move.
And I went back to the smash, the SMH. I traded around, went back in. The way I think it plays out, there's been a lot of upfront buying, so they should have big quarters in advance of tariffs and more tariffs and Huawei. And what they say about the future is not really going to matter. So the next quarter, the current quarter we're in, should also be good. So I think those can continue to move higher with the market moving higher as a backdrop.
Okay.